be making some s'mores.
S'mores? Where'd you get that from?
Trunk or treating.
Trunk or treat. Did you have fun? Did you get lots of candy? Yeah.
So much.
So much. Okay. So let's read the directions one at a time. So we place the chocolate on top of the graham cracker. So go ahead and open the bag. I hear a little Mickey Mouse dude.
Okay, let's get out of here.
All right. So put the graham cracker on the plate. Put the chocolate on it. Whoa, you already got it. Okay. Good, good, good. And then place the marshmallow on top of the chocolate. Okay. Well, that looks good. Now let's see what this says here. Microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch, the marshmallow will get big. And then after you do that, you put the other graham cracker on, and then you eat it. All right, so grab the plate. It says microwave it for 10 to 15 seconds. So come here. Oh, you can take, oh, yeah, I guess you could put it right on top there. That's fine. Okay, close it up.
No, I don't do.
Hit that. Hit 1-5. And then hit that. No, the one next to it. All right, now watch it. The marshmallow starts getting too big. Oh, that's not working. Is it rolling off?
Yeah. Is it hot?
Oh, so the camera on. No. All right, let's put it in for the remaining 2 seconds. So hit the start button, bottom, middle, nope. Okay, you know how to open it? Push hard. There you go. Oh boy. Then we gotta put, whoa. Put the other marshmallow on top. Here comes Caleb again with his...
You said other marshmallow.
I did? I meant graham cracker. All right, now smush it on there.
Whoa.
Can we see? Oh boy, that's gonna be so good. Turn around, let's see how you like it. You make it look so good. Is it delish? Give it a thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. You want to? Wow. That's Mickey Mouse on it back on here. Want to share some with your viewers? Give them a bite. Looks so yummy. All right, well that's it. We made a s'more. Now if you don't have a campfire, you know how to make a s'more in your house, right? Okay, enjoy your s'more and watch that chocolate dripping out the back. Lick it. Look, she's already got chocolate mouth there. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and
subscribe, because it takes more brand than this.